the biggest thing that we did throughout these 4 years is, specializing, our efforts. And what I mean by this is we started, of course, with a general approach. So when we started using DreamApply, we tried to make everything as general as possible so that it would work for all programs, for all students, regardless of what they wanted to study, where they came from, what their situation is. And as we move forward, we try to make things more tailored to each specific situation. So what I say that we would do is always try to tag a student. That as being one of the most useful tools at our disposal in the DreamApply toolbox are the flags and the trackers. So that we always know where students come from, what they do within our website, within DreamApply, with all of our other communications and marketing efforts. And then we can use that to react when we see that something is going on. For example, is there like, we analyze the data and we see that there is more interest from a certain geographic area towards a specific study area. We can, go back to those trackers, to those flags, and contact students that are already in our system and promote specific events, send specific content, use integrations to transfer that data, those trackers, to other software, for example, for email marketing campaigns. So that is definitely something that we have been working on and that we try each year to perfect a bit more.